Hello there, I'm going to take you through bodyweight dips, which is a great exercise, great compound exercise for the chest and the triceps, and you could consider the shoulder as well. So for this example, I'm going to be using parallettes, but you can use a dip station if you want, or you can be inventive, use 2 chairs either side of you. So for this, you want to place your wrists, good grip on the bar, so we want to avoid any bent wrist movement. You want your forearm, the weight of a line going through the forearm straight into the bar. So you want to rotate the wrist round so there's that line going into the bar. Once your wrists are set up, you're going to brace the shoulders, so really push those shoulders away from the ears, take the feet off the floor or whatever surface you're on, and then lower your shoulders so they are level with your elbow joint. So lower down, 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 down until you're at least level or deeper, and then explosively push back up, remembering keep those shoulders away from the ears. So down, 1, 2, push, 1. And do that for the number of reps prescribed in your program.